Early morning checkup. Perfect weather. Pumpkin them a come up. So we put some grass around them. So yesterday I catch one of the turtle them in here. We not even know where he decide to lay the egg them. But we seen Ghana now. The one that did small. So I guess he make it under the fence. But then big one they couldn't come under the fence. So down here so we make some bed. So what happened is when we make the bed, the neighbor then they cut the grass. So they give me the grass. So I do me cover the bed in the beginning because sometimes when you add the plants first and then you try to put the grass after, it kind of difficult, you know. Or if you try to sow and then put the grass over, you don't know if the seedling never will come up in a hit. So see so plant. So I try some new type of bok choy. So we just move the grass and put them in. And yesterday I put them in and look at them pretty. And the rain fall, so you know them alright. The next bed here now. This bed, I add the grass after me sow. So these now I put beet, turnip, beet and spinach in this one. And then come up good. All of them come up basically. Good germination. And then the bees them over there so they chill because the rain. The bees are aggressive. You can just go right up to them. You check them all the while without even smoke. In this bed now we have chickpeas. See it here, chickpeas. And we have carrot. We have good germination on the carrots too. Danvers, I think a Danvers 126, the type of my plant. So a nut sedge. Jump here, see. And then corn. These are glass gem corn. They were purple and yellow and bluish ones. But these ones is a popcorn version. So I'm gonna make them dry and then we can pop them. I put it here because the plant stuff behind here, so as well as my plant corn over there, so I kind of try to create a kind of shadow between these stuff. I don't really like too much sun. So chickpeas them there. So this bed is a long-term bed. Nothing it not gonna rotate, nothing else not gonna go in between it. You know, so this is for the whole season. So I put it where it now go really like create no shadow pan nothing too much. Where one no want no shadow pan. See peach tree them here. They might have leaf curl, but the leaf curl will fall off now. And fresh leaf will come up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a oil ring around it to see if I can stop the ants then, because I think the ants cause it. So the baby peaches there. And then this I want to bend down. I don't know what I'm to him, but if I got to go, this is what they do, the apple tree then. This I want to this I want a pear tree, so I probably have to go stake him like this. But then kind of grow one kind of way where the main limb then kind of fall over. So if they're heavy, you have to stake this one, the main one, and then these two now split and hang down. So the rain on it. So we plant some pumpkin up here so too. Different type of pumpkin, so we kind of keep it away from the ones down the back. The one down the back is the Jamaica, we bring from Jamaica. And then these now is like some little globe, some not the globe. And some nice pumpkin what they have over here. And then this is one plum tree. The first year this is what first full year there and it come back, survive the winter and come back good. So going at the garden. first row now, yes, so me have sweet corn. We plant them first and they never come up. And then we plant it again. And we plant two this time. And then all of them germinate. So I don't know if our ants did eat them or what. And then these are some onion. Have in a row. This row now we have spinach, Swiss chard, and corn again. So we put the corn in the back section because of how the sun will travel. We don't want them cast too much shadow. So we plant the corn near the spinach, of course, and the Swiss chard because they don't like too much sun and the heat, so it will kind of create like a cool environment for them. We plant bean between the corn just like we did last year, but they don't come up good, so only some come up, so I have to go do it again. And all those corn over there, me go put bean after. So like when them reach like about 6 to 10 inches tall, me plant bean around them. So the bean kind of feed the corn. Because the bean them they are nitrogen fixers, and then the corn them get the nitrogen from the air, put in the ground, and the corn they feed a lot from the nitrogen. So the two of them work together. Over here, so now we have kale, broccoli, and cabbage together. See, this is a kale. And then at the front, just some plant some okra, first plant, and everything come up. But I sow them again yesterday. Put two, and as time go on, I go reduce it to one. See, the dirty rabbit then come go bite this yesterday. See, head hit there. It's alright now. Soon fixing business. Yeah. I'll leave it here. Thank you. Okay, alright. Thank you. And these are my tomatoes and sweet peppers. So this year I planted just a regular. So what type of tomato is this? This tomato is a brandywine tomato. This and then these down here are the Roma tomatoes. So I planted some Roma, so you can see the difference. Look at the Roma leaf. You see them finer compared to this one. You see, it have less veiny, we call it trimming around the edge. It no curly like this one. It come in like this. I don't know the name for that. So 4 brandywine and 4 Roma. So these are for salads and for fresh eating. And then these is for make sauce. And then here down the back here, I have orange blaze. 2 orange blaze. I wanted to get a second. I have space for another one. So I was looking for like a yellow or one of them purple ones, but I didn't see any, so I have the space for it there. And then behind me, you see these I think they're cauliflower. And then this one is a broccoli. It's a cabbage. This is a Brussels sprout. You see them pretty? No spraying, no nothing. See the Brussels sprouts, I'm gonna go right here. Yep, no spray, nothing. No fertilizer, just horse manure. And here again, sweet corn behind me, rows. These kind of close, so the reason why again, because they weren't coming up first, I think it was still too cold. But then they came up after, good, so I may have to adjust the spacing. Oh, this row. Over here now I have potatoes, onions, and I think this is a cabbage. This is not cauliflower, it's broccoli. And then these are more Brussels sprouts. And over here, Scotch scotch bonnet pepper, and callaloo, of course. And then to protect them, onions on the outside. So the onions were planted first because you know the onions can take the cold. So we have to wait until the nights warm up to 50 before we can put out the scotchy or the callaloo, else it's gonna be too cold for them, they rot. Over this row now we have, these are more peppers, these are banana peppers. Yeah, sweet banana peppers. And I put them away from the others because you know we don't want, it's a bit close for the scotchy, but it's okay, let's see what happens. Cross pollination is what I'm worried about. And then here we have carrots coming up. Of course you have weeds because of the compost. And carrots and onions do well together. I think it prevents the carrot fly, you know, something that can lay some eggs and rotten your carrots. Those are there. So see right here, the whole of the fence line I plant broad bean to grow on the fence, and then I'm gonna stake it, put stakes in, you know, some more on it. Those coming up. So these raspberry plants at a cart, you see where I put it? See where the rabbit then do here. So you see? So, you buy chicken wire if you put around it, if you reinforce it. But me not finish it, me do half, basically do one short side and one long side. But me not do the this side yet. But it's okay, man. I soon deal with it in case. If you didn't rabbit, you see, they're not even fat. So here me have some potato. This is the first set, so you know you stagger the planting. So put grass around them. So once these start falling over, maybe next week, even at this stage, I can put, they say you can put dirt up, mound it up and put dirt up to like say 4 inches or 6 inches up. So in case there's any offshoots here, potatoes can go up here as well. Also, if the potatoes, you want to the root here, if the potatoes growing exposed, you know, they turn green and stuff. So if you mound it up, you prevent all of that. So here I added compost, and then in between is grass and leaves and stuff between it, and it's doing very good. This side now I have again more broccoli and stuff. Onion on the outside. These onions on the outside are Spanish onions. So the reason why I use the onions and the scallions a lot is, you know, it prevent the smell of it deter the butterflies. So I try to use it so I don't have to spray. Cauliflower here and romaine lettuce, and of course onions in between. Like I bought a pack of 400 onion sets. So they come like this, just a little bulb on the bottom, and it was for $30. So using it wisely, I spread it all over. In this row, I have some scallions. See what they do here? This is how they propagate. They put in like something at the top, and in this you have the little sets for the scallions. And then when it matures, you just break this off, pull them apart and plant them. Here I have my strawberries coming, and of course strawberries have to grow around grass straw. See, so this one piece has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blossoms per stem. See, this one has a whole lot. So these survived the winter about 25, and they survived the winter, and the 25 turned into about 100. So I spread them out all over. See, I dropped this one yesterday because I wanted to plant a sunflower here, and it was in the way. But you see, it's perfectly fine. I'll find somewhere to fit it later today. More strawberries. More strawberries. And here we have another type of strawberry, Beauregard strawberry. I planted 15 this side. And so I put the sunflowers and bean. You see a bean coming up? Bean, broad bean again to take advantage of the trellis. So you see where the rabbit defense. So of course I put the chicken wire so that stop that. You know. And then the grass is here. I put down the grass preemptively. So I'm just gonna pull it away. Oh, see the rabbit droppings here. Oh, thank them for the droppings. You just